Best motorcycle for beginners. Yamaha Bolt. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and the exhilaration of the open road. For beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a critical decision that can significantly shape their journey. The Yamaha Bolt, celebrated for its timeless design, accessible power, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as the ultimate cruiser for those setting out on their two-wheeled exploration. With its balanced performance, classic aesthetics, and rider-focused attributes, the Bolt provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and cruiser riding without feeling overwhelmed. Timeless style and aesthetic appeal. The Yamaha Bolt boasts a classic and iconic design that pays homage to the heritage of cruiser motorcycles. Its clean lines, minimalist styling, and distinctive details capture the essence of cruiser culture, appealing to riders seeking a bike that's not just a mode of transportation but a statement of personal style. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Yamaha Bolt lies a capable 942cc V-twin engine. This engine offers a harmonious blend of power and approachability, providing ample performance for cruising while ensuring a gentle learning curve for beginners. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-focused layout. Despite its classic appearance, the Bolt is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a relaxed and comfortable riding position that ensures ease during long cruises and daily commutes. The well-contoured seat, pullback handlebars, and forward-set foot pegs contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and ease of control. The Yamaha Bolt is celebrated for its responsive handling and ease of control, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its manageable weight, well-balanced chassis, and low seat height make it easy for riders to confidently maneuver the bike in various riding conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the Bolt often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and rider confidence. These safety features instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of cruiser riding. Versatile riding experience. While the Bolt excels in cruising, it's versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can comfortably use it for leisurely rides, city commuting, or even weekend getaways. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Yamaha brand and the cruiser lifestyle create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for cruiser culture and the Bolt's classic charm. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Yamaha Bolt encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of cruiser riding. Customization options and personalization. The Bolt offers a range of customization options and aftermarket accessories, allowing riders to tailor the motorcycle to their individual tastes and preferences. Whether it's adding unique paint schemes, custom exhausts, or additional chrome accents, the Bolt can be personalized to reflect the rider's personality. Heritage and legacy. Yamaha's reputation for quality and innovation adds a layer of trust and reliability to the Bolt. Owning a Yamaha motorcycle represents a connection to a legacy that spans over half a century, a legacy of superior craftsmanship, freedom, and the joy of cruising on two wheels. Conclusion. The Yamaha Bolt epitomizes the spirit of cruiser riding and Yamaha's commitment to providing the perfect cruiser for beginners. With its timeless style, accessible power, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Bolt offers an immersive gateway to the world of cruiser riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Yamaha Bolt as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for classic style, freedom, and the joy of cruising on two wheels.